Hi everybody, this is Kevin Lim from Me Noodles here in Hong Kong. Today I'm going to share with you another party recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you chicken lettuce wrap, and I think you can interpret the sauce or reinterpret the sauce if you like, but today it's relatively simple, not spicy. You can add spice to it if you like, and then just a squeeze of calamansi will be really refreshing as an appetizer for any party. Let's get started. Let's go. For this recipe I'm using chicken breast, but feel free to use chicken thigh. For chicken breast I would recommend you to soak it in brine, which is just 1 liter of water with 1/4 cup salt and 1/8 cup of sugar, and that will make your protein a little bit more moist when you're cooking it. As for the fish sauce, feel free to omit it if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, and for the hoisin sauce there's actually no animal products in it, so you can actually use that. For this recipe, there's actually a lot of preparation and cutting, so it's good practice for your knife skills. So this is just a little trick to mince ginger. You can see that I've first sliced it and then line it up. And then I would cut it into small strips and then rotate it on an angle, and then you can continue mincing. And the final product will be minced ginger. So for the shallot, a trick is to not cut off the root end, just cut it down the middle. Then you want to just cut a slit on its bias and then just cut it before the end of the root, and then you can mince it finely. And for the carrot, I'm doing the same thing, just slicing it and then cutting it into strips and then cutting it into small dice. So again, for a lot of the cutting, you're just trying to break it down from large to small, so just little tips and tricks to get you from the original product into the smallest size that you need. You can see the edamame already peeled here. Just have it cooked in simmering salted water for about 5 minutes, and you can just take it off shell. For the lettuce, you can see I just cored it, and the key is to actually hold the knife just a little bit so that you're preventing the knife from poking through the lettuce. Just a little stopper that you're creating with your hand so that you don't poke yourself. And then once you have the lettuce, peel it off into individual pieces, and you can actually just use a cookie cutter or any shape and just core it out so that you have a nice vessel for you to scoop the stir-fried chicken later. So for this sauce, as I mentioned, feel free to omit the fish sauce if you're vegan, and then also for the hoisin sauce, it's perfectly fine to use. You can also add some chili in this if you want, or some vinegar, but I would recommend to just finish it with some lime, lemon, or calamansi at the end. I'm just sauteing the garlic, shallot, and ginger just until it's fragrant. You don't really need to caramelize it, just until it's fragrant, and you can add in the chicken first just to caramelize it to create a Maillard reaction, which will bring out more of the flavors from the chicken and also seal in the juices inside. And next you can add in the vegetables of your choice. You can see here I've used fresh shiitake mushrooms, edamame, and also carrots, but feel free to change that as you will. And I've just added about 5 tablespoons of the sauce here just for the stir fry, but if you want it a little bit stronger, add more, or less, then you could substitute it or omit more of it. You can also have it on the side in the end so that people can add to their liking. So that's how you make my chicken lettuce wrap, and feel free to add or subtract any of the vegetables that you would or would not like. I would always also finish it up with some calamansi just to give it a little bit refreshing touch, and add some chili if you like. So if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And please leave any comments below. I will get back to you, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.